Hello, my friends, and I'm happy you're here. Welcome back to this English practice episode in English Unlocked, the Fluency Podcast channel. I'm Adam, and today we will practice 100 real-life small talk questions and answers. Small talk means simple conversation. You can use small talk when you meet someone, when you talk to a neighbor, when you speak with a classmate, when you're at work, in a shop, in a cafe, or when you meet a new friend. In this lesson, I will ask a question. Then I will give you a simple answer. You can repeat the answer after me. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not worry about mistakes. This is a shadowing practice. Listen to my voice, repeat the words, copy the rhythm, and practice speaking naturally. These questions and answers are easy. They are useful, and they are good for A1 and A2 English learners. Let's begin. Greetings and first small talk. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. How's your day going? It's going well, thanks. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. What's new? Not much, just a normal day. How was your morning? It was quiet and nice. Are you busy today? Yes, a little busy. Do you have plans today? Yes, I have a few things to do. Is everything all right? Yes, everything is fine. Are you feeling good? Yes, I feel good today. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. Are you tired? A little, but I'm okay. Is today a good day? Yes, it is a good day. Are you in a good mood? Yes, I feel happy today. Did you have a nice weekend? Yes, it was very relaxing. What did you do yesterday? I stayed home and relaxed. Are you free now? Yes, I have a few minutes. Can we talk for a moment? Yes, of course. Is this a good time? Yes, this is fine. Do you come here often? Yes, I come here sometimes. Is this your first time here? Yes, this is my first time. Very good. These are simple questions, but they are very useful. You can use them to start a conversation. Now let's continue. Part 2. Personal life and daily conversation. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Do you live near here? Yes, I live nearby. Do you live alone? No, I live with my family. Do you have a big family? No, my family is small. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one sister. What do you do? I work and study English. Do you work full-time? Yes, I work full-time. Do you study English every day? Yes, I try to study every day. Why are you learning English? I want to speak with confidence. Is English difficult for you? Sometimes, but I keep practicing. What is easy for you? Listening is easier for me. What is hard for you? Speaking quickly is hard for me. Do you like learning English? Yes, I really enjoy it. Do you practice speaking? Yes, I practice every day. Do you speak English at home? Sometimes I speak to myself. Do you watch English videos? Yes, I watch slow English videos. Do you listen to podcasts? Yes, I listen when I can. Do you read in English? Yes, I read short texts. Do you write in English? Yes, I write simple sentences. Do you feel more confident now? Yes, little by little. Good job! Remember, small answers are okay. You do not need long answers. A short answer can keep the conversation going. Part 3. Food, drinks, and cafes. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer coffee, but tea is nice too. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm a little hungry. Did you eat breakfast? Yes, I ate something simple. What do you want for lunch? I want something light. Do you like spicy food? Yes, but not too spicy. Do you cook at home? Yes, I cook simple meals. What food do you like? I like rice, chicken, and vegetables. Do you eat out often? No, only sometimes. Can I sit here? Yes, of course. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'm ready. What would you like to drink? Water, please. Would you like anything else? No, thank you. Is the food good? Yes, it tastes great. Do you want dessert? No, I'm full. Can we split the bill? Yes, that's fine. Do you want to eat inside? Yes, inside is better. Do you want to sit outside? Yes, if it is warm. Is this seat free? Yes, you can sit there. Do you come to this cafe often? Yes, I like this place. Excellent. These questions are useful in cafes, restaurants, and friendly conversations. Now, let's move to work and study. Part 4. Work, study, and simple plans. Do you work today? Yes, I work this afternoon. Are you busy at work? Yes, I have many tasks. Do you work from home? Sometimes I work from home. Do you like your job? Yes, most of the time. What time do you start? Work. I start at 9 o'clock. What time do you finish? I finish around 5. Do you have a meeting today? Yes, I have one meeting. Can you send me the file? Yes, I'll send it soon. Can I ask a question? Yes, go ahead. Do you need help? Yes, a little help, please. Can you help me with this? Yes, I can try. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, after lunch. Can we meet later? Yes, that works for me. What are you doing this weekend? I'm going to relax at home. Do you have plans tonight? No, nothing special. Are you going out later? Maybe, if I have time. Do you want to join us? Yes, I'd love to. Can I call you later? Yes, call me anytime. Can you repeat that? Yes, of course. Did you understand everything? Yes, I understood most of it. Very nice. These are real-life questions. You can use them at work, in class, or with friends. Now let's practice English for travel, places, and social situations. Part 5. Travel, places, and social situations. Are you waiting for someone? Yes, I'm waiting for my friend. Is this bus going downtown? Yes, it goes downtown. Where is the nearest station? It's 5 minutes from here. Is it far from here? No, it's very close. Can you show me the way? Yes, follow this street. Do you need directions? Yes, please. Are you visiting this city? Yes, I'm here for a few days. Is this your first visit? Yes, it is my first visit. Do you like this city? Yes, it's beautiful. Where are you staying? I'm staying near the center. Do you need a taxi? Yes, please. Do you have your passport? Yes, it's in my bag. Is this your bag? Yes, that's mine. Can I take a photo here? Yes, I think so. Do you want me to take your photo? Yes, thank you. Are you here with friends? No, I'm here alone. Do you want to come with us? Yes, that sounds nice. Are you enjoying yourself? Yes, I'm having a good time. Do you want to stay longer? Yes, a little longer. Shall we go now? Yes, let's go. Excellent work. You have just practiced 100 small talk questions and answers. These are useful questions for real life. You can use them when you meet people. You can use them at work. You can use them in cafes. You can use them when you travel. And you can use them with friends. Now, let's practice a short conversation. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. Are you busy right now? No, I have a few minutes. Do you come here often? Yes, I come here sometimes. Do you want a coffee? Yes, that sounds nice. Are you learning English? Yes, I practice every day. Is speaking difficult for you? Yes, but I am improving. Do you want to practice together? Yes, that would be great. Is the weather nice today? Yes, it is warm and sunny. Do you like this kind of weather? Yes, I like it very much. Is this place usually quiet? Yes, it is usually quiet. Do you like the music here? Yes, it is soft and relaxing. Do you want to sit by the window? Yes, that would be nice. Can I get you some water? Yes, please. Thank you. What kind of coffee do you like? I like coffee with milk. Do you have a favorite place nearby? Yes, there is a nice park near here. How long have you been learning English? I have been learning for a few months. Do you use English at work? Sometimes, but only simple English. What topic do you like to talk about? I like to talk about food and travel. Do you have a favorite movie? Yes, I have a few favorite movies. Do you prefer mornings or evenings? I prefer evenings because they are quiet. Are you new in this area? Yes, I moved here recently. Did you find this place easily? Yes, it was easy to find. How do you usually travel here? I usually come by bus. Can you speak a little louder? Yes, of course. Do you need a minute? Yes, just 1 minute, please. Can we take a short break? Yes, that is a good idea. Was this conversation helpful? Yes, it was very helpful. Very good. You have practiced more small talk questions and answers. These questions are different, but they are still simple and useful. You can use them in cafes, at work, with classmates, with neighbors, or when you meet new people. Now, here is your practice task. Choose 5 questions from this lesson. Ask the question, then answer it out loud. For example, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. Are you busy today? Yes, a little busy. Do you study English every day? Yes, I try to study English every day. Do this again and again. Repetition helps your speaking. Repetition helps your pronunciation. Repetition helps your confidence. You do not need to memorize everything today. Just practice a little. Come back to this lesson. Listen again. Repeat again. Shadow again. And use these answers in real life. Great job today. You practiced real small talk. You practiced useful questions. You practiced natural answers. And, most importantly, you used your voice. This is how you build fluency. One question at a time. One answer at a time. One conversation at a time. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. And unlocking your English fluency. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what is one small talk question you can use today? For example, how are you today? Or, are you busy right now? And what is your answer to that question? Write your question and answer in the comments. Then, practice using it in real life. I would love to read your answers. This is English Unlocked, the Fluency Podcast. And I'm Adam. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.